Look at that junkie strung out on the one God only knows. He ain't washed or shaved in a couple of days, and there's stains upon his clothes. Now it ain't smack that that cocaine crack that brought him to his knees, but the fully legal product of the tobacco companies. The tobacco companies. So thank you, R.J. Reynolds, for helping me look so cool. And thank you, Philip Morris, for keeping me company after school. And thank you, Brown and Williamson, I hope you spent my money well. When this is past and I've smoked my last, I will see you all in hell. I will see you all in hell. Now this junk is not on the street corner, sleeping in an alleyway. In fact, I saw him in my own living room. Shit with a bitch with a badge. All my life. Politicians, I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more, I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different.